Hey everyone, good morning. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what the Panther Pride Foundation is doing and what Maumee Schools is doing to be able to help with the advancement of our grounds and to help advance our students. So, the Panther Pride Foundation made a major leap in trying to help with the improvement of the football stadium. They've been involved with the STEM Center, and now we're looking at our theater, which you can see in the background here, our beautiful theater. Built in 2005. It's going to be getting a little bit of a facelift and some upgrade. I'm talking to Matt Dick to be able to give me an update of what those things are. Matt, I'm going to try to turn the camera around here if I can figure this out here. Hey Matt, so you and I have been on the Panther Pride Foundation for a little bit of time together, and we've gone through a lot of remodel projects. The next remodel project is the PAC Center. And tell me about what we're trying to accomplish back here now.
Right. Well, Eddie, you are right that this facility was built in 2005, and it has not received what you would call a major upgrade since it was built. The district has put money into the center since. We've had roof work done. The house lighting has been replaced, and it's all LED house lighting.
Which is an energy savings.
A big energy savings, yes. The district also had to replace our soundboards and our sound system because the wireless frequencies were no longer available to us.
And that was a change that had to happen.
That had to happen. We didn't have a choice on that one, right? But then when you look around the PAC, 15 years of wear and tear, there are certain things that needed to be done, and the Panther Pride Foundation has already started to take the steps to repair and replace things. For example, a lot of the painted surfaces on the floor, you can tell, are just, they're getting, peeled, torn up, things like that. While the seats are still fine, the floor needs a little bit of work. You can see the strip along the carpeting right there is beaten, and the carpeting itself is starting to fade. So the Panther Pride Foundation has already stepped up and made a significant contribution to painting the floor in the Performing Arts Center and replacing all the carpeting. The district, with permanent improvement money, is also doing painting of the walls to kind of match along with this. And then the refurbishing of the stage. That isn't everything, though. The Panther Pride Foundation, as you know, Eddie, is ready to launch into a new capital campaign. Won't give too many details on it yet, but that would be to have a major upgrade of the stage lighting, the colored lighting, to go to an LED system with an all-new electronic controlling system that powers it. But that's a big project.
Sure.
But that is what the Panther Pride Foundation is looking to do next.
So a major technology upgrade, and technology, as we know, is changing, daily. So we're probably a little behind the 8 ball there, and the LED advancement is going to help with energy savings as well and give us better light.
Should be about a 90% reduction in the energy costs. Of course, incandescent lights heat the stage up quite a bit.
Sure.
That'll stop that, and then you have an infinite array of colors that you can do on the stage when you have LED lighting.
Well, and we're trying to provide a full range of activities and education for our students, so that's, if you're involved in sports, that's awesome. If you're involved in the arts, that's awesome. So these are the advancements that'll help our kids get, the things they need to further on their education or their careers by getting that start here at Maumee High School.
You're right, and this is a true K-12 facility here. We have a number of programs that go on all year long, but you're right, the students involved in performing arts and musical arts, this is their centerpiece, but we also hire our own students to do the tech. And so students are learning how to run tech boards and sound boards, and when you keep that upgraded, then their level of knowledge is much closer to what the industry is using when they graduate.
Sure. So my daughter, Jenna, she was part of the tech team, and she helped out in the theater and really enjoyed being a part of that. And, if you go to Broadway or if you go up to Adrian to the Croswell Opera House, they need people to be able to help run those things. And there's professionals that get into that area, and getting that start here at Maumee High School is a great opportunity.
It sure is a great opportunity.
Well, that's awesome. Thanks for your time today, Matt. And hopefully we have much more and exciting things to be able to talk about with the Panther Pride Foundation as we go on.
I expect we will.
Take care.